everybody, Kalia here with myeye4DIY.com.
On today's episode of DIY My House.
Today I'm so excited because I am going to show you how to stain, upholster, and style a DIY storage ottoman. Now, I built my ottoman from scratch, but I'll show you that in a totally separate video. But the great thing about this project is that you can take an old piece of furniture and convert it into a beautiful, practical, and contemporary storage ottoman. That's what I'm going to show you how to do from start to finish, so let's get started. I'm trying Retique It Liquid Wood technique to stain my ottoman. And it's pretty cool because you can create a wood stain on virtually any surface without sanding. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using my liquid wood. I just finished shaking it up. And I'm going to use my paintbrush for this. I'm not going to use a roller. I'm going to apply it to the entire ottoman base. What this is going to do is it's going to help because you can see that the wood grain is going in all different kind of directions. So this is going to be my new wood grain that I'm going to work with so that I can stain it. And then it's also going to cover like these two pieces of plywood that, you know, don't match right here. And it's all going to be seamless. My ottoman is dry. Now I'm going to apply a lighter coat of liquid wood in small sections to add a new wood grain effect using Retique It's graining tool. Okay, so here's my liquid wood and the bleach wood. And it's almost like a white color. That's what it's gonna go on as. That's what it looks like. Work in sections by applying it to the bottom first in a layer that's just as thick as my graining tool. So my graining tool is about this wide, and you just do it in a back and forth motion. All right, now watch how cool this graining tool is. So I start at the edge, and then I just come over. How cool is that? So now I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna apply another coat. This dries really fast. I love it. And if you don't get the desired grain that you want, like right here, I don't like this line, so I'm just gonna paint back over it. And then I'm gonna go over it again, starting right there with my graining tool. That's pretty cool, right? I'm gonna take my smaller graining tool and just correct this little corner. And then I'll go across the top there. You can use the center. So start at the center and then just drag it and you'll get a better grain. My ottoman is all dry. It looks gorgeous with this wood grain. Oh my gosh, this DIY wood grain. I grained this myself. And so now I'm ready to stain it. I'm staining over the liquid wood with the Retique It gel stain in weathered gray. Again, applying with my paintbrush, going back and forth. And that already looks so pretty. This is how it's sizing up. One of our last steps is to add our protective layers. So I'm going to add a coat of polyurethane. It's a satin finish and it's completely clear. So all it's going to do is protect our furniture piece. It's going to give it a layer of gloss and help it to look even more beautiful. Every ottoman needs a cushion. I had already pre-cut a thin piece of plywood to the same dimensions as the top of my ottoman. And I apply a piece of foam 1 inch thick to the top of the plywood. Now I'm going to take some matting, wrap it around, use my staple gun to apply it. Basically, you can pre-measure, and what you want to do is you want to leave about 2 inches on all 4 sides. And I'm going to pull each side tightly. The whole purpose of the batting is so that these sides can be nice and curved. And now this is what my cushion looks like. This is the fabric that we're going to use. A pretty purple. This matches my living room. We'll lay this out and put the cushion in the center. And then you can just make sure you have enough material on all 4 sides. Pull on the edge as you're stapling. You want to pull this nice and tight to make sure there's no wrinkles. To finish off my upholstered top, I am going to add a wood block in the center of my cushion by applying some wood glue. I'm just going to apply a generous amount. I already measured exactly where I want it. I'm going to make sure everything lines up. Press it down. All right, now we're going to wait for this to dry and then we're going to add it to our ottoman. Ta-da! And now we're going to do the last step. We're going to add some nail head trim. I'm gonna apply these across the top here. The DIY storage ottoman is now complete, and I love the way that it turned out. Look how beautiful this is, everybody. I love the nail head trim. I really was able to get the contemporary feel I was going for with this stain. Even though we grained it, I feel like the stain still was able to take in a way that was contemporary and not farmhouse style. And I just love that. I love the way that the upholstered top came out. We were able to put this little wood piece on top and so that it would add a little bit of security onto the ottoman. It doesn't move around so much. And the storage aspect of it, I mean, this layer of functionality is out of this world for us anyway. Because now my husband gets what he wanted out of it, which is the comfort. I can put blankets in here. I can add some of the kids' toys so that our living room still looks somewhat adult-like. And I'm just really happy with how this turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed it too. I hope that you'll try it on a piece of furniture that you have at home. If you just take an afternoon, apply yourself, you can get this piece, and I assure you that it's gonna come out just as beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you have used nail head trim? If not, how would you have styled your ottoman? Please give me a thumbs up and click that subscribe button below to see more videos like this. Maybe even follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. My name's Kalia with myeyefordiy.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.